everyone, it's Emily here with Think Tank Trading. If you haven't subscribed to our channel before, please do so. We really appreciate it. Give us that thumbs up for the like too if you like the video. I'm here this week to bring you my penny pick of the week by Tip Ranks. My favorite part of the Tip Rank stock screener is, of course, the penny section, as you all know. I like to go to the most recent analyst PT ratings just because there tends to be some movement in the stock after it gets a PT upgrade. Okay, so I've already done a little bit of the research beforehand and found the stock that I like for this week. This week, I am going with Ecor. As you can see here, it has a 188% upside from its current price of $1.04. It just got this $3 price target after an amazing second quarter earnings report. Okay, so let's dig in a little bit more about what electroCore does. Okay, electroCore focuses on the NVNS. All right, I'll tell you a little more about what this is. So NVNS focuses on the vagus nerve. This vagus nerve, as you can see here, it's the longest cranial nerve in the body, primarily serving as a sensory nerve, bringing information from the visceral organs to the brain. The vagus nerve has a number of branching nerves that go to the heart, lungs, voice box, stomach, ears, and other organs. A sensory nerve that assesses the conditions of these organs is the communication between the body and the brain. It contains motor and sensory fibers because it passes through the neck and the thorax to the abdomen, so it has the widest distribution in your body. Okay, so stimulating this nerve has many important effects. It has the atomic functions in the brain and in the body, including neurotransmitter levels, inflammation levels, and your metabolism. Okay, so what are the benefits of NVNS? Let's find a little bit more about this GammaCore. The GammaCore for years has been focused on innovating NVNS technology with global treatment of some of the most challenging diseases in the world. GammaCore has become the answer for many people. As you can see, this GammaCore product can be used for many different things. It's used a lot for veterans and military. It's also used for migraine, cluster headaches, and many other things. They do have a lot of different options about payment and getting it approved through insurance and make it very, very affordable to be able to have one of these amazing products. They really are. Okay, so now that we've gone through their main product, let's move on to their investor presentation. As you can see here, they've got an event coming up on August 12th. So I'm looking forward to hopefully seeing a little bit of movement and price action of the stock then. And they have a lot of news releases coming out as we speak. Okay, so here, as we've gone over, is the GammaCore Sapphire. They've got an amazing management experienced team as well. Alright, so a little more about the GammaCore. Fast-acting, highly targeted, comfortable, easy-to-use handheld operation. It's cleared for the prevention and treatment of cluster headaches, cleared for the prevention of migraine and treatment of acute migraine in adults and adolescents. They actually just got this adolescent FDA approval in Q1 this year, so that's pretty impressive. You can use it alongside existing treatments, but with no drug-to-drug interactions or side effects. You can use it multiple times per day or multiple times per month, just depending on what your needs are for it. The vagus nerve affects multiple organs and systems, as we went over before. So this is really an amazing product for people who suffer from those cluster and migraine headaches. As you see here, we've got 39 million adults just in the US and 400,000 in the US that suffer from the migraine and the cluster headaches. So it's a very, very large group of people that this is targeting. They also have a lot of active channels with revenue for growth opportunity. So driving Department of Defense and Community Care Network sales, along with Department of Veteran Affairs and military treatment facilities. Growth in the UK leveraging Innovation Technology Program Award for cluster headache through MedTech funding mandate. They support the Natural Institute for Health and Care Excellence and for the treatment of cluster headaches. They're also working on using this device to help people with addiction issues, because this is a way to deal with pain management without having to use prescription medication. They're also expanding their federal sales opportunities here, as you can see. The migraine grew tenfold between 2004 and 2012. More than 27,000 veterans suffer from cluster headaches. So this is an amazing product, especially for the veterans out there. All right, so I wanted to go over also the potential key near-term milestones. So as you can see, over the next year, they have a lot of milestones coming up, including reaching out to Northern Ireland and Wales in Q3 and Q4 this year, and the Venus top-line stroke data. They also have potential distribution partner announcements and adequate cash to operate with as well. They did have an offering on June 30th, which we'll see just in a minute. When we look at the chart, you'll see that offering and how the price is really low right now. Okay, so here's just a quick look of their summary financials. As you can see, their net sales has basically doubled in the last year, which is incredible. So just taking a look at these, it shows you that this company has amazing growth potential. There's also cluster headaches and migraine headaches have been associated with post-COVID symptoms. So that's another reason that this product is going to be used more often, because all of the people recovering from COVID and who have had COVID could have these migraines ongoing still. So this product can help them as well. All right, just a little peek at the capitalization table. As you can see, they do have a lot of their common shares out there, including, like I said, it was actually June 30th, but they say the July 21 public offering, but it did start on June 30th. All right, now as you can see here, we do have, as we've been talking about this large market, cluster and migraine headaches are estimated to affect more than 39 million adults. So they have a reoccurring revenue business model as well. Okay, so right now, for the FDA cleared indications for the US, it's the preventative treatment of migraine headache in adolescent age 12 or older, and the acute treatment of pain associated with migraine headaches in adolescents. Like I said, this was just approved Q1, so it's an entirely new market that they're going to be able to target right now, which I feel is going to increase their revenue even more over the year, as well as expanding to other countries and making other deals with different companies. Okay, so now that we've learned a lot about what they do and what they have to offer, let's take a look at the chart and see what we've got going on over there. Alright, so here I've got the chart up for you for electroCore. Ticker is ECOR. So as you can see, as I was stating before, right here you see this June 30th offering taking the price down from about the $1.60 range all the way down, and it hit its lowest at 86 cents. So I feel this is a great time to get a position started. I would like to go ahead and start my position here and then buy all the way down to this level of about 90 cents. If it loses that 90 cents, obviously I would want to cut it, but I don't think that's going to happen. If you look at it on the daily as well, you can see that it really is consolidating down here. It was recently oversold. We've got a bullish divergence on the RSI, and the MACD is actually pretty wide open right now for us as well. So I feel like this is a great time to start a position with this company. All right, I also love the 30-minute chart. So I want to take a look at it on the 30-minute chart here. As you can see, it did spike off of those Q2 earnings reports that came out, but it did fall back down to a pretty good range that I feel like is a great starter position. If we could get it under $1, I would love that too, but I think a starter right around 104, 105 is a great place. And as you can see, the MACD is getting close to coming together here, and hopefully is going to give us a turn to the upside. Okay, so jumping back over to tip ranks here, you can see that it does have some good news sentiment coming out right now. If you go to all news and click on bearish news, there is none. So that's always a good sign. So they've got a lot of great news. Like I said, they've got these awesome Q2 results that they recently posted, 69% year over year for the second quarter. So that's pretty impressive. But all in all, I think this is a great entry point for electrocore, and I think it's going to be an awesome growth stock here in the future. We're going to start here averaging in at $1.04. We're going to keep adding all the way down to 90 cents if it goes that low again, and hope to see this stock reach its PT of $3. Thank you all again for tuning in. Again, join us on our Discord. I'm going to have the link in the comments. If you aren't affiliate, or if you aren't signed up with Webull yet, I highly recommend you do so. Right now, they are giving away 2 free stocks with a $100 deposit. I'll have that link in the description as well. And please give us a like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. Come join us in our Discord. We've got a 7-day free trial going on right now, and we would love to see you there. Thank you all so much for watching the video, and I will see you next time.